1, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. E flat, 2, 3, 4. B flat, 2, 3, 4. Excuse me. F, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. E flat, 2, 3, 4. B flat, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. Good job. All right, let's go now to measure 26. Same exact thing. Here's prep count of 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. E flat, 2, 3, 4. B flat, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. Good job. Now let's go to measure 38. Here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. E flat, 2, 3, 4. B flat, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. E flat, 2, 3, 4. B flat, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Okay, now that you have that kind of counting down, I would suggest counting in rhythm. So meaning you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. All right, so let's start at measure 38. 4 counts of prep. Here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Repeat. Sign. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, last section. Here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you did it! There is your practice. So if it feels a little too fast, definitely take it slower. And if you can use these videos to practice along, that will be great. Okay, I hope you found this helpful.